Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while, but life, as much as life is a journey and thing. Like today, like tomorrow's Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's when it comes, who celebrate it, who don't. But yeah. So, what is it that we're looking for in a relationship? What is it that we like in a relationship? What is it that we like about our partners in a relationship? So in a relationship, I believe in active communication. I believe in caring. If you ask me what is my love language, all of them. Cause I'm not supposed to. I'm supposed to get all of them. I'm not forget all of them every time. But I want all of them. Cause guess what? Me supposed to give you all of them, don't it? So yeah. What are your thoughts about it?
I honestly don't think
Uh-huh.
I should be forced to have to run back a year. But in a relationship, you have to understand that certain things are expected of you in the relationship.
Yeah.
Shouldn't be a case where I want attention and I have to be the one seeking out that attention from you.
I'm not lying.
The simple thing that matter, you know.
How are you? You eat,
Yeah.
babe, I'm home. Did that. And we're not supposed to add the pic for say, oh, you are responsible for morning texts. No, we don't.
I can't read your mind for no say you're busy. Send me a text, babe, I'm busy.
And look here now.
I'll talk to you later.
Nothing sweeter than when somebody is busy, but they still find time to communicate.
Yeah.
That is quality time. Nothing sweeter than when somebody busy, but them still find time for communicate. That is quality time spent, my love. That is showing interest, added love. Oh, we go. Love and sleep over there, sir. Aye. Love and sleep. Ah.
No, you're here, we.
Love and sleep.
Bread. Sure.
If I never want to afflict something like any kind of. What about Valentine's do you believe in? My belief is Valentine should be every day because we should be showing each other love every day.
Yeah.
However, I think people mean not really celebrate Valentine. Bro, mean.
I don't know about them significant and yeah.
No, I think it's a regular day, yes.
But
however, I should be showing you a little bit more effort, a little bit more love, a little bit more, you know?
Well, understand, say, your Valentine's Day should be recognized. You don't have a specific day
Day
to
for
show
show
your
love,
partner, say.
because it should be shown every day.
But you have a specific day, one day set aside. On the day you have to pamper them, show them, do things we don't normally do.
Yeah, because guess what? Even though it's not about the gifts. Although we like gifts, you know. I get my rank car. I don't like a brochure bag. Alright, let's not get into that. However, gifts is not about the gifts. It's just about the extra effort. Can you not give me a gift, you know? Just a nice little paragraph. You sit down and just write for me now. Something I'm say, watch love.
Don't say it there.
Duh.
Put some effort into it, even if you don't celebrate it and your partner celebrates it. I don't think it should be a case where you force your partner not to celebrate it. You understand? You guys have different twin values or whatever, but try to put out some effort. Yes, you say your partner celebrates it, and probably love the day. Just put out the effort. You know, I forgot all out like some people. Just do something nice,
something special.
Yeah.
You know?
Look at dinner, look at thing, even if you don't want to go out. Plan it on house or whatever, the two one.
Because guess what? Even though you don't celebrate Valentine's and your partner does, and your partner know you don't, but just the little effort where you put in to say, you do something and she can look at that and say, oh, look on that, you know, being a celebrate, but hey, I love that one, yeah, you know, something. I really believe that in this society now, love is very rare. It's misconstrued with loss, like, and vibing.
Yeah.
So what are your views on Valentine's? On Valentine's Day?
Okay, my view on it. I think Jamaicans, Jesus, we start taking for like a money making thing. You get the drift? Valentine's Day is not a money making thing. It's a day that you show your loved one, that you care about them, and it shouldn't be a one day thing. It should be every day. You text your loved one and you say, baby, thank you for that. A little note, a little roses, a little chocolate. You get the drift? A little presents. And them little things there, when she come home in the night, she see something put on the bed. You know, a little wine. It not for be just Valentine's Day. It can be a like candlelight dinner. When she come home, she say, what happened? What is this all about? And then she not shocked, because she just thinks it's a special moment alone. You give them things, but you can't do it when the moment not special.
What are the red flags in a relationship where you look out for it with that person? Where do you know you say, you know, I'm for stop with that one, yeah?
Alright. Listen, now, when you have to push for the person to communicate with you, and you have to push in at the person, the next red flag now, let's see what it is. Them not showing a little, them not have a little caring little thing about them. When them just come in a relationship, them was all about the care, the niceness and everything. Text you, call you, check up on you, sweetheart, are you okay? Are you fine? But as soon as them get the kitty and the little standing something there, yeah, after that no, don't laugh. After that no, them no.
Remember you again.
No remember again, them no remember for call you, text you, check up on you if you're fine. Yeah. And they must learn to be a protector. The man, they must learn to protect them girlfriend or them wife.
True.
The same way them treat them mother, and same way they must treat them girlfriend. Same for a woman, the same way she treats her father is the same way she must treat her man. But now I say she and her father not have no relationship in her reign, but she must have a man in her life where she look up to as a father figure and she treat him nice. That means that respect go both ways. But now I say if you respect a man and I respect you, no, I'm not saying that, but respect go both ways. If you respect him, he will respect you. And the same way, if you respect you like when I respect his mother, the same way I treat him. I know some man that go take up them and I lick their mother.
True.
So, you have to take up them and I lick them woman.
True.
And the same way you now go tell the father figure in your life because
yeah.
You know? So I see him you treat your man.
Because even look at it, just this week, the youth from up you take you and him burn off the girl his girlfriend because he said that she searched her phone allegedly and said that she was cheating and because he was paying for her school fee allegedly, or all of her schooling and her maintenance. I don't know. I don't want to love her controlling. If Mr. say it now work out and everything, me the first to call it I could say now. Me, Mr. further down the road. Me.
And that's the next thing too. So most of them female I love likes. If you realize that you and the youth now work out, just because he's maintaining you doesn't mean you need to stay in a relationship you don't like. Because all of this could have been avoided.
Simple.
Just left the boy.
Not saying that what he's doing is right. No right. How we not work with no violence against woman. However, like this though, it's really rough. And to see all of the scarring and the iron and everything and
just imagine how she felt in the moment.
Don't it?
But no, says she somebody where she think
they love her.
I do this to her. I'm a female and I almost teared up when I saw just the whole
I'm not a sister and a mother. Oh my God. Like, just to look funny because me look funny and then me I remember my little sister and everything. Boy, it rough. It rough bad. Bad, 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 bad. Guys, let us know what we're doing and let us think before we act. Because all of this could have been avoided, and then look, you just spend all your life now in a jail. You're not living a life.
No, not.
And she
Over
has,
one woman.
yeah, them scarring and everything. I hope her skin heals and everything. But it's stupid. And then the next point is, guys,
watch your friend them when you keep around you. Because some of them people you call friends are not friends.
And guess what? You see, if you're in a relationship and a relationship are going good, make it go on good. You and your partner know say it are go on good. Your friend have to know say it are go on good. Your friend have to know say, hey, me get slap up, me get, and you not have to tell the ex thing how I go on in a relationship.
To be kept in the relationship.
Keep it between you and your partner, because guess what? Certain friends, they might experience that. You tell them, say, oh, you reach on cloud 9 and Mars and come back. You do it, you know what? What name? What them name? What them travel water space name? And astronaut. Astronaut. You them astronaut. And them do all of them something there you want experiment to see stars and galaxies.
Say, yeah. Oh,
my friend did it for me and my friend.
No, they've been on a long time. You just don't know it.
Do all kind of things so much of a relationship. All of that takes the boy up on the side. You have to be careful. Be careful. Be very cautious. Because life funny. And the funniest thing are the people they will least expect hurt us. And them after close to it for hurt we. I know enemy them hurt we now. Or friend them or the persons close to us that we consider friends. Those are the ones that are hurting us. So guys, what are your plans for tomorrow? What are your plans for Valentine's Day? What are you planning on doing for Valentine's Day?
I'm going out on a self-date.
Same way, so friend. Maybe I plan to treat myself. Same like me that treat anybody who me in a relationship with. I'm planning on treating myself. Self-love and self-care and everything come first to me now. I'm in an era where I'm putting myself first. And
Amen.
if it's not me, I'm sorry.
It's not gonna be you.
No. This era is considered selfish. Selfish. And selfish is not a bad word, not a bad thing. It just means that you're putting yourself first. You've been selfless all of your life, and now it's time for you to be selfish. Invest in yourself. Make sure say the betterment of you is going on good. Because guess what? You can't love somebody if you don't love yourself. And if you don't put in the time and effort within yourself to make sure that you're better, that you're a perfect individual, and not perfect, but a good enough individual to have strong morals and everything so that you can impart love to somebody else, trust me, it's not gonna happen. That's why we have so much toxic relationship in society. And guess what? Hurt people. Right. So guess what? We need time to heal after a relationship. When I just jump in, because them say the quickest way to get over somebody is to get, but you know, we all know, but it's not good. So guys, take time out to heal.
Choose your partner's voice, lady.
Can I tell you? Like I was watching something yesterday, and the girl, she basically spent 1 year with a guy, and she start 2 business firms. She younger than him, and our family them stopped be with her because them see what was coming. The guy didn't mean her no good at everything, and she live abroad and she come down. She save up all her money for come married and everything. Sorry. She brought down her friend, and when she come down and everything and time for she get married, the place where she's supposed to get married book out the guy that she was supposed to be married to. he's married. He's getting married to somebody else at the resort, and he slept with her best friend that she brought down. And he in turn told her that she expect too much out of him in her life. She saw the betterment of him, and she see potential, but he never see it for himself. Him say she expect too much out of him in her life, and she too black, and all kind of something. And this time she was pregnant, and she was just 25, and he was like 30 something. So take time out, cause guess what? You should spend 1 year and 6 months before everything. She'd have to, cause guess what? Persons cannot fake for long. Your true colors will eventually show. Your true colors will eventually show. And I want to implore on everybody, love yourself first. Find yourself. Find out who you are first before you say you jump in a relationship. Because enough people out there, them wish them did know them partner before. Take some more time. If me did know, say that kind of person there. And you don't want to be that person there. You want to say, I'm glad I made the right choice. I'm glad I did wait. I'm glad I did love. I'm glad, you know. So, it's best to do that. Any last words, guys?
Have a great Valentine's Day for those who celebrate it. For those who don't, but your partner does, remember, treat them. Them deserve it. Bye.
Just stay.